Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna unbox this new Realme C63 5G smartphone. Let's unbox this. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. Here you can see it is written Realme C63 branding. Over here you can see 5G, and at the back you will see here it is written 5G 6nm process chipset, 120 Hz of eye comfort display, 7.94 mm ultra sim, and 32 megapixel of AI camera. Let's unbox this first. And here you can see friends, let's see what is inside. Here you can see sim ejector pin, and you can see here it is the quick start guide and a safety guide. And friends, here it is a protective case. It will prevent scratches from your smartphones. You can see its quality is very good from the Realme brand. And let's friends, here it is the smartphone. You can see. Let's keep it aside and see what is in the box. Friends, here it is the 45 volt of fast charging adapter by Realme. You can see. And here it is the USB to type C charging cable. You can see. Let's open the smartphone. And friends, let's open this smartphone. And here it is, Realme branding. It is the starry gold. I have purchased it. You can see the build quality. It is a matte finish. You can see it's very unique camera design. And here you can see volume rocker button, up and down, a power on off button, and at the bottom you will see microphone, a microphone, and a 3.5 mm audio jack, and a charging cable, charging port. And here it is the speaker. And this side you will see, here it is nothing. And here it is sim tray and microphone. Let's open this. And it is the front camera of this smartphone is 8 megapixel and back camera is 32 megapixel. Connect the Wi-Fi. Here it is. Friends, you can see it is connected successfully. You have to press on next and it is getting your phone ready. It may take a few minutes. The good part of this mobile phone, it has 5000 mAh of battery life. That is good. You have to click on don't copy. And it has 4 GB RAM plus 128 GB ROM with extendable up to 2 TB. You can also set SD card in it. It has 6.67 inch of HD plus display and 32 megapixel of rear camera. Front camera is 8 megapixel and its processor is very good, Dimensity 6300 processor, and a 5G smartphone in this price range. You have to click on Google, then press next. It is a operating system is Realme UI 5.0 based on Android 14. You can see it has 3 unlock method: password, fingerprint and face. You have to skip this. Click on OK. Getting your phone ready. Skip this. Click on next. Skip. Next. Done. And friends, you can see your setup is completed. You can have to click on get started, and it is ready. Friends, talking about its smoothness is very good because it has 120 Hz of refresh rate. I show you in the settings also. First you have to open settings. You have to search here refresh rate like this. Then you have to click on the, you can see it has 120 Hz, a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz for smoother animations and operations. You can select on auto select also. Let's check its camera quality also. First you have to open camera. Friends, its camera quality is also very good. You can check it. I have taken some photo. You can see friends, it is a back camera photo. It is in the full screen. You can see it will look like a 3D. It is very clear. And here it is front camera photo. It is also very good. Let's check its camera resolution. First you have to click on video, and here it is the camera resolution. It has 720 pixel at 30 fps and 1080 pixel at 30 fps. That is good about this price range. Let's check its video quality in the YouTube. First you have to open YouTube, allow, click on search, and here you have to write 4K video. Click on search, then play video. Friends, you can see the video quality also. I will show the settings also. Here it is quality. Click on advanced. Here it has 1440 pixels also. And let's check its sound quality. So first you have to write here music. And here it is, you can see.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Friends, you can see its sound quality is very superb quality. You can see. I will show you more settings in the settings app. Here it is about phone. You can see it's about device, 128 GB Realme UI 5.0, 5000 mAh of battery. Screen size, you can see 6 GB RAM plus 4 GB extendable. You can see. If you like this unboxing video, if you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time. You can purchase it from the Flipkart or Amazon. I have given the link in the description. Thanks for watching.